Right, hi guys, well done. Thank you for revising. Thank you for logging in to check in this Venn diagram question. Right, information in Europe, aged 14 to 19. Venn diagram. A is the people employed, B is the people in education. It's a number of people in the Venn diagram and it's percentages, okay? Total number of that. So if I think that if it's percentages, it's everyone, that should add up to 100. Quick scan, that looks like it adds up to 100. A really good data source because they've given a source for it, which is something you should be thinking of doing. What percentage of these people were not employed and not in education? So basically, these people are employed, these people are in education. So it's that number there, it's 6. It's a 6% because it's a percentage. Find a person, one person is to be chosen in random, so it's out of all of them, so it's out of the 100%. Find the probability of B. In B, there is 12 plus 78. Press those buttons on my calculator, and I know it's 90, but I'm still pressing the buttons on my calculator. Gives me 90, 90 out of 100, or 90%, or 0.9. I prefer my percentages and probabilities in decimals. Right, find the probability of B slash A. I seem to think of that if, like, how many people in B and in A, out of all of A. So that is basically, that is 12 of B's that are in A out of the 16 in total. Okay, so I'm going to write 12 over 16. I'll leave that as a percentage, as a fraction. Yep, don't really want to leave it as a decimal. Using your answers to part B and part C, so I've got those answers. Describe the effect of being employed on the likelihood of being in education for these people. So, right, I'm just actually going to make that into a decimal using my calculator because it'll make it easier to compare. 12 divided by 16 over 16, S to D is 0.75. So I'm going to write P of B equals 0.9 because that's the information. P of B and A is 0.75. So this number is bigger than that number. So probability of B is bigger than the probability of B A. So that's what the numbers are telling me, that this one is bigger than that. So this means being in employment, if you're employed, means you are less likely, because it's bigger, to be in education. Okay, get the mark scheme. Should be quite straightforward. 6% allow 90%. 0.9. K over 12, 12 out of 16. Nailed that. See this big one? So they've got written that down. I've got it the other way round. Written down for comparing. So I've compared it because I've stated the numbers. This one is bigger than this one. Being employed means you are less likely to be educated. So being employment lowers the likelihood of being in education. And I think that gets that, nailed those marks. Brilliant, thank you.